What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today we're gonna do some gaming, guys. I'm getting questions about gaming on this Galaxy Z Fold 3. I just wanted to kind of bring y'all some gaming, unedited, uncut up, and stuff like that. You can see the flow of this device and how it works with the 12 gigs of RAM and the Snapdragon 888, and how it does with the gaming, guys. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's get the phone open. I'm gonna play like 3 games that I played on mobile, you know what I mean? So we can start off with the Call of Duty, guys. Okay, and this is, you can actually, this is the, I'm gonna leave it turned up so y'all can kind of hear the speakers and everything, get the full experience. So I'm just gonna go straight to the multiplayer, guys. Just random multiplayer, and you can see how the phone is loading up and kind of just doing this thing smoothly. You know, everybody, you know, some people really like the game on their phones. I'm not the biggest gamer on my phone, but I will play certain games sometimes. This is probably like my 3rd favorite game. I got some other games that I like more. Probably the racing games, things of that nature. So here we go. I'm a multiplayer. I'm recording on my iPhone at 60 frames per second. So let's go. I guess that was the pre-game, but now we're getting started. That's me, OG Bobby, 3400. Let's get into it. Okay, like I'm not really that good with this. I see some enemies. Oh, like I'm a controller dude for real. Oh, I got killed. I got knocked off. I go to kill cam. Let's see if I can get 2 kills at least. So we jump out this jump. On there over here. Let's see if I can hit him long range. Okay, got 1 kill. Reload. Automatically reloaded for me. Let's see if I can move in. He up there. Got him. Okay. He behind the wall. He think you're not gonna get got. Oh, they got him. See, okay, here we go. Oh, you jumping. You a fraud. Come on, reload. I'm about to move in on him. Let's go. Oh shit, reload. I'm about to die. I'm dead. I'm trying to turn this thing around. There we go. Had to reload. No. Killed him. I don't know how he ain't killed me. He trash. I'm out of bullets. I might have to pick up somebody's gun. I don't know. Game, look, as you can see, I'm running through smooth though. I'm about to try to stab him. Let's go. Let's see if I can get a stab. Come here. Oh my goodness. There I go. There we go. We in the... Come on, bro. There we go. Got a stab. Come on. Come here. Come here. Okay, I got you. Got another stab. All right. Got killed. So, I mean, this is good. This is smooth. It's not it's not dropping no frames. It's not lagging. Everything is moving smooth. I mean, you may be a little dizzy from my gameplay. I'm not the best. I'm the worst actually at this. I probably need a controller. But yeah, that's some gameplay with the there we go. Another kill. But that's some gameplay with the Call of Duty. So we're gonna jump straight out of this. I'm jumping straight out of the Call of Duty. We're gonna go into something else. Let's go ahead and let's go to, okay, I'm gonna say the best for last, because I like CSR Racing. Okay, we're gonna go into this landscape. Like, one thing I didn't notice about this phone, guys, here at Asphalt 9, it is longer this way. It does have a semi-landscape to it. You know, it's not a complete box. Like I say that, it is almost a complete box, but it's not a complete box. So if you turn the phone sideways, you will get some more screen real estate in the 16:9 aspect ratio. But alright, let's I'm not trying to shop, bro. Come on. They always like, that's the one thing about mobile gaming, like they always trying to sell you something. Come on, let's get it. I'm trying to go. Okay, let's go. Let's get to it. I think I got the touch drive on, so it's gonna be pretty easy. You know what I mean? It's Asphalt 9. Here we go. And I'm just trying to let y'all see the gaming experience on this thing. Now I noticed the phone did get a little warm. Yeah, I missed it. I'm hitting the nitrous. The phone did get just a little up near the camera module. It does get a touch warm, guys. Let's just go. Keep blasting away. Keep blasting away. That's all I do. Okay. We about to hit the ramp. Let's see what the graphics looking like. Graphics looking good. And we blasting off. I hope y'all can get. I hope that y'all can see that these graphics is pretty good, guys. This is like a little. This is sweet for gaming. I ain't gonna lie. This thing's sweet for gaming. It did get a little warm up near the camera module. Maybe that's what the processor is. You know, I'm putting the phone to the test. We've been gaming now for about 6 minutes strong. I'm gonna run one more race on this just to keep it going, just to you know, put the phone to the test. No, I don't want to watch no ad. I want to just do one more race. But as you can see, the advertisements and stuff is popping up. So these games really do task these phones, guys, because you got the advertisements popping up and it's trying to sell you all type of stuff and get you to, you know, hook your card up and get coins and stuff like that. It's just not even, it's not just the game, you know. So yeah, there go the graphics. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section, man. Here we go. We got the avalanche to the left. I'm not trying to get a bottle. Okay. I'm blasting away. The phone did get warm, but it didn't get any hotter than just a little lukewarm. And the warmness is happening up in this quadrant right here, near where the camera module is. So I'm guessing that's probably where the processor is and things of that nature. But it didn't get any hotter. So, okay, I missed that. I wanted to do a jump. Let me see, I'm gonna try to do a jump. Show y'all some graphics. Let's blast away. Okay, let's see if we can get our swerve on. So yeah. Let's go. Go time. We balling. I missed both of those nitrous bottles. But we finished. Look at check out all the graphics. Everything pretty smooth, guys. Everything looking pretty good. I'm gonna jump straight out this. You know what I'm saying? They in the background now. Both of them in the background. We got Call of Duty in the background, and we got Asphalt 9 in the background. And I'm gonna say the best for the last. This is my favorite, my personal favorite, CSR Racing 2. This is my go-to game. And you see we jump right into the game and it's loading up. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's do a little freeze right there. Is that a little freeze? It's building up. It's setting up the game with, I guess, whatever. But that might not have been the game per se or the phone per se. Maybe it was some data needed to load up because I do have an account. I do play this game, as you can see. Big Lambo, Big Lamb Talk. Shout out to CJ32. And you see, look, all type of stuff just popping up. Like, I just want to play the game, but all type of stuff is loading up. All right. I don't want to buy nothing. I just want to race. I'm going to try to run 2 races. Oh, no, I don't want to run a live race. I don't want a live race. Let me go back. I just want to race. I don't want a live race. I want a regular race. Pro. Let's check it out. Now these graphics is intense because you gotta, you know, you gotta be able to shift and hit certain shift points and hit the NOS. So it's a lot. Boom. The graphics is good. You can see I won the race. Of course, it was an easy class for me, but I just want y'all to see, you know what I mean? how it's running. We're going through some of the biggest games on, I think Call of Duty is like 3 gigs on the download. We're going through some of the biggest games in mobile gaming right now. So I'm gonna run another race. They keep trying to load up stuff and sell stuff. That's, you know what I mean? I really don't blame. That's not really on the phone. It's these developers, man. They get paid off these advertisements, or they trying to make money off these games. When you in a game and it's not just trying to sell you stuff all the time. Or now that was the game loading up. Some of the stuff just be stuff popping up, just be stuff popping up. You know, this gameplay is not lagging at all. This is a very precision game and it's a very fast-paced game. See the graphics not slowing down. And there it is, guys. That's some gaming. That's some gaming. We're gonna jump out. We're gonna go home. Let's go home. All right, so that was gaming, guys. That was the gaming experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 3. And I want to know what you guys think. You know what I mean? Was that impressive? Do y'all like how the display looked? Do y'all like the format of the more, you know, square? You know, it seemed like you got more of the game because how big that display is. Do y'all like that? But if y'all like the video, go ahead, hit like. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. And you can follow me on Instagram or Twitter, BG_TechLife, guys. That was kind of like a gaming run through. Just, I wanted to see y'all, let y'all see some live gaming and let y'all do the critique. I want to see y'all in the comments. It's your man BG, I'm out. Peace.